In this video, I'm going to show you how to add G2 reviews on your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the review section, and down below, you will find all-in-one reviews. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, and on the corner of the window, you can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you will be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget. And on the left-hand side, we have about 6 options. On the Sources section, what you want to do is you want to head over to the search bar. And in here, simply search for G2. Once you're done, simply click on G2. And in here, you can start adding your G2 URL. And to do that, go to G2 and copy the URL that you have and then press on Ctrl V. Once you're done, on the top and the right hand side, simply click on Done. Below, you can also add an AI generated summary. And to do that, simply click on AI generated summary. And here you can turn this on. And if you do turn it on, you can add a summary style to be a list or a text type. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout, and if you click on the See All Layouts button, you'll be able to choose from one of the layouts that are available. Once you're done choosing your layout, head over to the right corner and click on Done. At the bottom, you can also customize the layout. You can change the width, the columns, the rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. And if you have a carousel or a slider layout, you will have an autoplay option, and in here you can also change the animation as well as the scroll mode. On the header section, this is where you can show or not show your header, and if you do, you will have an option to show the elements in which you want to add within your header. If you have many platforms to add, you can also show the tabs, but since we only want to do G2 reviews, simply toggle this off, but this is still up to you. Now at the bottom, you can also add a widget title. You can change the title as well as add a caption. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style. You have about 3 options, and at the bottom, you can also change the review source style. If you click on the Customize button here below, you can also choose from one of the things they want to add within your reviews. On the Styles section, this is where you can change your color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on your scheme. At the bottom, you can also change the color of the background, widget title, header, rating, review, navigation arrows, as well as pagination. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsite if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, You want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social, simply click on that one. And onto Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. Anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, simply hold the circles and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to simply click on the widget. At the top, click on Edit Code. And on the left-hand side, we just want to paste the code, so simply press and Ctrl V. Now, under Font Family, this is where you can change it into the font into how you want it to be. And once you're done, simply click on the Update button here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have G2 reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.